Happy birthday to this guy. About to do some birthday adventures. Look at that smile.
Yes.
He's so excited. We'll see if that smile fades in a few minutes. I hooked it under.
Adventure.
This is Drew. We're going to be your guides today. This is... Have you? No.
Alright, good to go. Alright, you shooting your field?
I just want to tell me like don't look down or something.
Alrighty, go ahead and step down and sit back. Enjoy the ride.
Oh, are they gonna go?
You don't want to go yet?
Not yet.
Alright.
I need a minute. Yeah.
Alright, you ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Nicely done.
There you go. Nice. Good job.
Oh, man.
You're still breathing.
Oh.
Don't miss the breakfast,
Oh,
please.
yeah.
So I'll give you a quick rundown of everything we're going to do. This next zip line is our highest one of the day. When you get out over the creek, you're about 150 feet up in the air.
You got this.
Don't listen to that part. Yeah. So you get out there, you'll head over to that tree, and then we go off to the left, back in this way. That's going to be our fastest zip line of the day.
Nice.
Take it.
Just a
Faster than last time.
exactly.
Nice. Hand down.
Nice.
Good job.
How was it?
My knees are shaking.
With excitement.
I appreciate the honesty. You got it. Sit down right there, Cliff.
Whenever you're ready. I think we clocked you at 1,000 miles per hour. We're gonna have to write you a ticket. Person for the job.
Pretty cool. All right, we got another challenge for you guys on this platform. So on the last one, we did the hang 10, where we hung our 10 toes off. This challenge is to hang everything but our 10 toes. With this one, we're not gonna do.
No.
Nice. This is too. They were just tonguing this the whole time because
Go no hands.
Pocket.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Hey.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Hey.
That's kind of cool.
Nice.
Are you gonna go?
Nope. Don't gotta worry about me. I'm good. Next time.
Next time.
Oh yeah.
All right.
But Cowles is a
Enjoy. All right, go ahead and step on up.
Are we going backwards?
Yeah.
Nice. Got it.
All right. Whenever you're ready.
Nicely done. Yeah. There you go.
Your husband looked bad, huh?
Well, that's fun.
Just go like with both hands.
Solid.
That was good.
Yeah.
Nice.
Simple, right?
Yeah, right.